morning, children. Now this is 9th class social studies. This is the first lesson, children. What is the first lesson? Our earth. Okay. Now in the previous video also we discussed some points. The earth, interior part of the earth. What are that? Crust, mantle, outer core, inner core, etc. Okay, children. Next, today also we will discuss more points about the earth. Movements. Actually, the earth always moving. So we know in the previous class also the earth movements rotates itself and around the sun. This is the earth's movement in its own axis. Okay, around the sun orbit. Okay, children. Next, children, how the continents, oceans, valleys, mountains formed upon the earth. Actually, we do not know the exact, but some scientists believe how the continent formed upon the earth, how oceans and how valleys, mountains formed. Okay, for example, continents. Actually, thousands or million years ago, the whole land mass is only one land mass. That land mass is called Pangea. What's that land mass, children? Pangea. But what happened when the earth moving fastly? Okay, so gradually the lands collide each other. In this way, they break and formed as continents. Next, when they are colliding or touching each other, some part going upward, some part going downwards. So these upwards formed as mountain regions. For example, we know what are the mountains. In our country also, Himalayas are mountains, Aravalis are mountains. In South Africa, America continent are Andes mountains. Okay, children, Rocky mountains, Andes mountains, Aravalli mountains, Himalayan mountains. So these all mountains formed. Okay. Next, children, how we will know this information? One great scientist, he said, is in 20th century, German meteorologist and geophysicist. So he said his name is Alfred Wegener. What is his name? Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener introduced one theory that is called continental drift theory. What is that? Continental drift theory. So in this theory, what did he say? Actually, this is also one of the hypotheses. Okay, imagination. But he said many million years ago, when the whole landmass Pangea breaks as pieces and gradually they formed as continents. Okay, children, how many years ago? 220 million years ago. How many years? 220 million years ago. Next one, here the land divides as two parts. First one is Laurentia, second one is Gondwana. What is the first one, children? Laurentia. What is the second one, children? Gondwana. Okay. Next, upon the earth, some imaginary lines also drawn. Okay. Some lines are vertical lines, some lines are horizontal lines. They are called circles. Okay. The circle lines are, these horizontal lines are called latitude, children. The vertical lines are called longitudes. Upon the globe or earth, these lines are very important. Okay, they are called latitudes and longitudes. The latitude, longitudes and latitudes passing, it touches each other. Between the gap, the place is called grid, children. What it is? Grid. For example, these are latitudes, these are longitudes. So this place is called grid. Okay. What is the use of grid? We can find easily a certain location in the globe. For example, if we want to know Asia continent, with the help of latitudes and longitudes, we can find, children. If you want to recognize England, you can find with this help of these latitudes and longitudes. Now children, look at latitudes and longitudes. Now latitudes. How many latitudes are there, children? Here 180 latitudes are there. Among them, the biggest one is Ecuador, is the center. Okay. Look at, children. For example, this is latitudes. These all. Here this is Ecuador, children. From here to here you can find how many latitudes, children? 80 latitudes. From here to here how many? 80 latitudes. 80 plus 80, 160. Here to here 90 latitudes. Here to here 90 latitudes. Total 180 latitudes. Okay, children. Now this is Ecuador, children. From here to here, this is hemisphere. What hemisphere, children? Northern hemisphere. Now here to here how many? 90 latitudes. This is called southern hemisphere. Okay, children? Northern hemisphere 90 latitudes. Southern hemisphere also 90 latitudes also there, children. Okay. Now Ecuador is the biggest one. We can recognize and indicating as degrees. Next if you see this one, this is minutes. If you see this one in the textbook or in the information in these pictures, these are called seconds, children. These circles are parallel circles. What are that, children? Parallel circles. Next one is longitudes. Longitude word comes from longitudo. How it is comes? Longitudo. That means length, children. What is that? Length. Greenwich longitude is the main one. It is 0 degree prime meridian. What it is called? 0 degree prime meridian. It passes through London, children. The Greenwich 0 degree longitude passes through London. London is the capital of England. London is the capital of England. Now, children, total longitudes are 360. 180 plus 180. Okay, 360 longitudes also there, children. Now I want to show you in your textbook some pictures. One should come to the page number 6. Page number 6, children. So here Alfred Wegener, according to Alfred Wegener, the whole landmass is called Pangaea, children. Okay, Pangaea. The whole water body is called Panthalassa, actually. Now listen. This is 220 million years ago. Next, once you look at how they separated, how the continents are separated. Okay, it was formed in 200 million years ago. Laurentia. This is Tethys Sea, children. What is that? Tethys Sea. Next, children, look at once again. Look at this picture. 135 million years ago. This is Africa continent. This is, I think it is India. This is South America. Okay, etc. Now, once you look at this picture, this is 10 million years ago. Okay, this is North. This is Europe. This is Asia. Okay children, this is Antarctica. Okay, so now like this the continents formed children. Like this the continents formed. Now once you come to the next page, I said about latitudes children. I said about latitudes and longitudes. Now listen, this is northern hemisphere children. This is southern hemisphere. This is western hemisphere. This is eastern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere. This is eastern hemisphere. Then you can find what continents are there in northern hemisphere. What continents are there in southern hemisphere? What continents are there in western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere? Okay, I can say once, look at this one. This is Africa, this is Asia, Australia, eastern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere, South America, North America, some part of Africa. Northern hemisphere, Europe, Asia, North America, half part of Africa and a small part of South America. Southern hemisphere, large part of South America, half part of Africa, total part of Australia and Antarctica. Okay children, now once you look at this picture, in this picture I said latitude children. The biggest latitude is equator. 0 degree latitude is called equator. From here to here 90. Okay children. So this is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitude. This is Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south latitude. Okay children, this is southern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere. Are you understood children? This is Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree south. This is Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north. This is 90 degree North Pole children. This is 90 degrees South Pole children. Okay, these are the main latitudes. What are that? These are the main latitudes. So total latitudes are 180 children. Not counting the equator children. You keep in mind. Now you turn the next page. So here you can find longitude children. The biggest longitude is called Greenwich longitude. It is 0 degree. Okay children. Now from these all 180, these all 180 children. So South Pole, this is North Pole children. Now look at, this is South Pole, this is North Pole. Okay, prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Now here prime meridian. Okay children, these are the west longitudes. These are the west longitudes. These are the east longitudes. 180 plus 180. 180 plus 180. Okay children. Next to other names. Latitudes are also called parallels because they are parallel to each other simple. Longitudes are also called meridians. We get meridian from the Latin meridionus, meaning noon children. What is that? Noon. That is when the sun is directly overhead, noon, at a given longitude. So longitudes are related to time. Longitudes are related to time children. Okay, from one longitude to another longitude the sun rays pass. 4 minutes time it will take children. Okay, 1 degree of longitudes, 4 minutes. So this is about longitude children. Total longitudes are 360. Total latitudes are 180. 90 northern hemisphere, 90 southern hemisphere. Okay children? Okay, thank you.